Thank you for coming here today to watch one of our tutorial series videos. We will show you here how easy it is to change your default shipping address from your profile. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your @CostMetals dashboard. From here, make your way over to the initials in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click the initials and then click the profile option. This will take you to the profile page. Now scroll down to the default shipping address section. From here, you can update your default shipping address to wherever you would like your orders sent to. This address does not change the Get Ahead Coin of the Month shipping address that would be changed on a different section on your dashboard. It's important to make sure all the details are accurate to ensure you receive your orders properly. Please double check the delivery address carefully. The information you enter here is where your orders are delivered. A mistake here could cause delays and repeated shipping charges. Help us help you to get your coins delivered timely and efficiently with a perfect address. Be sure you click the update button so all changes take effect. It's that simple. Thank you for watching @CostMetals tutorial series. We are committed to your savings and success.